This is the Xiaomi Watch 3 Pro, and on paper, it sounds almost too good to be true. A premium smartwatch with real battery life, flagship performance, and Google apps, all without charging it every night. Xiaomi says this could replace both your fitness tracker and your daily smartwatch. But after actually living with it for a week, I realized there's one big thing the marketing barely talks about, and it might be the deal breaker for some people. So let's talk. Xiaomi Watch 3 Pro product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at here? The Xiaomi Watch 3 Pro is Xiaomi's top-tier smartwatch, originally launched in late 2023, and it's aimed at people who want everything in one watch: fitness tracking, smart features, and long battery life, without compromising too much. It runs Wear OS, meaning you get Google Maps, Google Wallet, Play Store apps, and proper notifications. But here's the twist. Xiaomi pairs that with its own low-power OS in the background to massively extend battery life. The headline feature? Up to 14 days in essential mode. That's wild for a Wear OS watch. Xiaomi Watch 3 Pro performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does this actually feel to use day to day? Honestly, surprisingly smooth. The Watch 3 Pro is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon W5 Gen 1, which is currently one of the best smartwatch chips out there. Swiping through menus, opening apps, scrolling notifications, it's all fast and responsive. No stutters, no weird lag moments. I use this watch for workouts, navigation while driving, responding to messages, and even controlling smart home devices, and it handled everything without breaking a sweat. Google Maps navigation on your wrist? Super handy. NFC payments with Google Wallet? Quick and reliable. But here's what really surprised me: heat and stability. Some Wear OS watches can feel warm or sluggish after a long day. This one didn't. Xiaomi's dual-chip setup offloads background tasks efficiently, so the watch stays cool and consistent. Features and tech. Let's talk about what actually makes this watch special. First, dual OS architecture. This is the secret sauce. In full smart mode, you get Wear OS with all the Google goodies. Flip to essential mode, and it switches to Xiaomi's lightweight OS, giving you up to 2 weeks of battery life. That means you can go on a trip and not bring a charger. That's huge. Second, health and fitness tracking. You've got heart rate, SpO2, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and over 150 workout modes. GPS accuracy is solid thanks to dual-band GNSS, which means your runs and bike rides are tracked more accurately, especially in cities. Third, LTE support. This watch can operate independently from your phone. Calls, messages, streaming music, no phone required. For runners or gym sessions, that freedom feels amazing. Design and build. Aesthetically, Xiaomi absolutely nailed it. The Watch 3 Pro has a stainless steel case, a large circular AMOLED display, and sapphire glass on top. It looks and feels premium, like something that belongs next to a Galaxy Watch or Apple Watch Ultra. On the wrist, it's comfortable, but let's be real, it's on the larger side. If you have smaller wrists, this might feel chunky. The rotating crown is tactile and satisfying, making navigation easier than constant swiping. Battery life. We have to talk battery because this is where Xiaomi flexes. In smart mode, I consistently got about 3 to 4 days, which already beats most Wear OS watches. But switch to essential mode, I got nearly 12 days with health tracking still on. That means no nightly charging anxiety. No, oh no, I forgot to charge my watch moments. For busy professionals or travelers, this alone could be the reason to buy it. Pros. Excellent performance with Snapdragon W5 outstanding battery life for a Wear OS watch, LTE connectivity for phone-free use. Cons. Large size won't suit everyone. Xiaomi's ecosystem isn't as polished in the US. Final verdict. Look, if you're an Android user who wants a premium smartwatch with real battery life, this is one of the most compelling options out there. If you travel a lot, work long hours, or just hate charging gadgets every night, the Pro 3 makes a strong case. If you're deeply invested in Apple's ecosystem, this obviously isn't for you. And if you want the absolute best third-party app support in the US, Samsung might still edge ahead. But Xiaomi did something genuinely smart here. This watch feels practical, powerful, and refreshingly different. It's not trying to copy Apple, it's solving real problems. And honestly, that's why I like it.